Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim free trial access to services through virtual events, webinars, or online conferences, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Register for virtual events, webinars, or online conferences that interest you. Many event organizers partner with software companies and service providers to offer attendees free trial access. Step 2. Check the event agenda, sponsor information, or attendee benefits section for details about complimentary trial offers. These are often prominently featured in event materials. Step 3. Attend the virtual event and pay attention to announcements about exclusive trial offers for participants. Sponsors often share special codes or links during their presentations. Step 4. Visit the virtual events networking area, expo hall, or sponsor booths if available. Digital booths frequently have buttons or forms to claim trial access to sponsored services. Step 5. Enter your email address and any required information to receive the trial access code or link. Some events require you to interact with sponsor content to unlock offers. Step 6. Check your email for messages from event sponsors with instructions on how to activate your free trial. These emails are typically sent during or shortly after the event. Step 7. Click on the activation link or visit the provided website and enter your unique trial code when prompted. Make sure to use the code before it expires, as many are time limited. Step 8. Complete the registration process and start using your trial access immediately. Take advantage of the full trial period to evaluate whether the service meets your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.